Okay, hello everyone. So let's see where we are today. We gapped up yesterday and continue grinding higher. Today we gapped down, and the question is if we're going to hold either the value high of yesterday or the high and close of yesterday's session, 450s and 470s respectively. If we hold resistance there around this area, then we'll look for a move down to 400s. If this doesn't hold for a bounce, then we look for a move towards 300. On the upper side, we need to hold the above value high, spend some time, then go higher towards 500s, then extend higher towards this low traded area here at this low volume breakout here towards 600s, 560s area. So I gave it a go and shorted this. You need to see if it holds resistance here, then it takes out initial balance high, then lower. Otherwise, next area is yesterday's high. I bought here for the potential move higher. If we hold above initial balance high, we take out yesterday's high, then it's a question of what it does at yesterday's close. So let's see if this can spike up just against this 52's opening level. Okay, price just about to test the highs here. The problem is when we have initial balance this small, there is a high probability price will test the initial balance low sometime during the day. So let's see if this is because it's below yesterday's high here, if we flash and if we hold above for a continuation. Okay, scale out the position here, attempting to break out the highs. We need to see if this can hold and trend towards 500s and how much it will range as first hour of cash trading rates. Now it's 30 points, so if this can expand towards the upside, this will be a nice trade. So eventually for this uptrend here, looking at this area here, 530s or so and 506s, these areas up here, so price perhaps can trade here and spend some time, although still the statistics say that the other side of the range is more likely to get retested because of the small size it has. So let's see, hopefully it will trend higher. Also, if you have a look on the 5-minute chart here, we can see we have a straight uptrend and previous candle and current candle low never closed below previous candle low. So this is called one time framing here. So perhaps this can continue with this manner, but I need to see if this will hold the yesterday's highs or fail. So this pullback here I bought again for almost the same entry as previous for a continuation, otherwise this will just fails and goes inside initial balance area again. So basically we have a kind of indecision candle here for the first 30 minutes, although above value area high of yesterday. If this is to hold this 450s area, perhaps can grind higher, so let's see. Otherwise this will just be a small range balanced day again. I give it a go and short it here against this area up here. So if we hold the initial balance high here, perhaps we can tag initial balance low and see if price can go towards 37's value area low and what it does at yesterday's point of control, if this is not just a continuation basically. Again held resistance here at yesterday's high, so would be a good idea to short against this level for potential move lower, not sure. There goes the idea of the trade, and I'm not participating in it, so let's see how far up. Hello there, so you can see today just started with consolidation, mostly with failure to go and extend lower here. Also held the support at yesterday's point of control at this consolidation area here within the value area. Still need to see now if we go below 400s and then attempt to go for a gap fill, although it's most likely for this to expand as soon as we get some results coming out from US election, which they most likely be overnight. So let's see within these next 2 hours of trading, what and if we find any kind of nice level to initiate any position. If this is about to continue towards the downside, we can see yesterday's value area low here at 405, so we need to see if price can go down there first, although held support at this point of control of yesterday's session and trading above, so we need to see if this will happen. Okay, so held resistance here at volume weighted average price again and above US cash opening price. Scale out the position here. We need to see if we take out the loss of the day, what it does there, if this is going to hold for a lower trend lower basically. It rallied all the way up to the high of the first hour of cash trading here. I got short position here and need to see if this will hold as resistance and then we drag lower. Some failure to extend lower here and immediately got bogged with SPY leading towards 214, so we need to see how further up this can go and how much the elections will affect this. If a Hillary win, should we go higher, or if a Trump win, should we tank lower towards 10,000? If you want to watch the live, my live streaming room for DAX trading during the day, you can go on my Twitter page here at this name and click on this pin to it. Here I have a description of how much it costs per month and or with the free version. Also you have 2 days free trial and then you will be billed on a monthly basis. So you click on this link here, which will prompt you to small description here, and then you see the first 2 days is free, then is €19 for each month. You go log in and then you are able to subscribe, so I will give you the password and login details.